Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the G20 320D M Sport in Portimao Blue on a 2019 19 plate. So as you can see, the vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, which is a very nice mixture of the frozen and gloss black. It also includes a brand new set of the 20-inch M Performance style alloy wheels, which come with 4 brand new tyres as well. At the front you can see those very eye-catching LED headlamps. The car itself is in amazing condition and also features the TechPack. Down the side of the car you can see all of the additions we've made work really nicely with that fantastic exterior colour. It does come with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, which is of course also works nicely with the exterior colour, whilst adding that protection alongside a very exclusive look. We shall now go on and show you the interior, where we've got a black Venensky leather with this car, which is being illuminated very nicely by our ambient lighting settings, which again are all customizable. You can see there, this is a 6-speed manual. This is the first 6-speed manual G20 we've had here at Your Next Car. I'm going to tell you that is an all new 6-speed manual gearbox, and it's a really pleasurable gearbox to use. It's a very short throw gearbox, so making it a pleasure to change gear with, and I should talk more about that shortly. The rear seats for the G20 3 series still comprise of an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and we've got the darkened M Sport headlining. You now get the digital adjustment and digital display for rear passengers climate, and as you can see there, that's all exceptionally clean and tidy. Round onto the rear of the car, again showing you off those brand new wheels, which really do suit this car very nicely. We opted to go for, again, a high gloss rear spoiler and the matching diffuser for the car, and those 3-dimensional LED rear lights really do look very eye-catching. Reversing camera, and you do also get a massive boot space on the G20 3 series. They now all come with split folding seats. There are the genuine BMW floor mats, which will of course also accompany the car. Round at the driver's side, once more you can see that this is a very clean and tidy example, whilst working once more again nicely with all of the additions we've made. Again, we'll just show you the other side of the rear seats. As part of the technology pack, you do of course get Harman Kardon, along with a few other options, which I'm going to point out in just one second once I take a seat inside the driver's side. So now I'm sat very comfortably in these lovely black Venensky leather seats. We are of course greeted by both the professional wide navigation and media screen, along with that live cockpit. So as you can see, it's covered just over 6,000 miles, so this is a really low mileage car, and we'll start the vehicle up. So heading back to that manual gearbox, so as I mentioned, it's an all new 6-speed manual gearbox. I don't know how they've managed to improve on an already very good gearbox, but it's very short throw. It's going to be difficult to get this through on the video. So you can see there's not a lot of movement from neutral to a gear, and there's also a gear display up in the live cockpit. So if we're going to first there, you can see there, second. So again, just giving you as much information as possible on that live cockpit display, as well as a map view, a digital speedo, alongside of course a fairly regular looking RPM and speedo gauge as well. You can of course customize that, so say if you don't like the map view, you want something of your own preference, again you can change that to suit something of your wants and needs. Up here we have got a heads-up display, again as part of the TechPack. This is a really useful bit of information to have. So it's currently displaying our current speed, which is obviously nothing because we are stop still. It'll also display the speed of the road that you are on, so it's a 20-mile-an-hour limit on this road, and of course again that is all designed with safety in mind. Back over to our wonderful touchscreen professional wide navigation and media. Again, you can have a lot of input on what you have on display, so I've set this up for something that I think would be kind of important. So you've got your main media screen there, you can tap into there and go straight into that. So as you can see there, we've currently got the DAB list up. If you swipe across into there, it brings up all the rest of the media list. Going back to the main menu, you've got your weather for your current position. You've also got to click into this one. This will take you straight to your sat nav. Again, using the touchscreen functionality, having that is a real benefit to you. As you can see there, you can pinch zoom, and say if you want to set the destination to that point there, simply tap in and we can go to that destination, or of course still use our iDrive scroll wheel down here. Going again back there, again you can customize all of these to something of your personal wants and needs. You can add a massive amount of information. It's all about having as much information on hand to you as possible. In terms of the car itself, once more, Being that it's only done just over 6,000 miles, the first service for the car is due in 7,000 miles time. However, it's had a pre-delivery inspection service. It does of course come with BMW manufacturer's warranty until 2022. In terms of communication, it comes with the regular Bluetooth audio and telephone along with Apple CarPlay, as you can see there. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video of this fantastically spec'd, very nicely presented G20 320D 6-speed manual. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and most of all guys, we'll really look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. If you do want some more information or you want to get in touch, you'll find all of the contact information down below in the description. Once more, thank you, do of course take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.